Hey guys, audio test time. I'm using the Saramonic BlinkMe B2 right now. Nag-unboxing na tayo sa previous video. So ngayon titingnan natin ang performance naman kung gaano kalinaw, gaano kalayo, how will it performs pag naka-noise reduction siya. So right now, suot ko siya dito, as you can see. Okay? So ayan, pati mukha ko may branding, di ba? And kinabit ko rin siya dito, nakamount siya sa tabi ng mobile phone ko sa Joby tripod. Medyo maingay as you can see, so perfect yan para matesting natin. So I will position the Joby tripod here with my mobile phone. And then, lalayo ako ng lalayo hanggang doon. Testingin natin kung gaano kalinaw siya and kung may mga dropout sa audio and how far I can go na hindi na puputol ang audio. Based on its specifications, 100 meters siya line of sight. So I would assume hindi siya mapuputol kahit malayong-malayo ako dahil naka-line of sight naman. But we'll see. Pag umikot ako, check natin kung mapuputol siya. And yeah, samahan niyo ako and let's see how well this baby performs. Let's go. Okay, so I'm not really sure kung hindi kasi ako magaling sa distance no? Pero nakikita nyo naman kung gaano kalayo yung lugar na to. So tansyahin ko na lang. Lalayo na lang ako ng lalayo and then let's see if there are any audio dropouts or problems that may occur habang lumalayo ako. Okay? Tara. Okay. Well, I can't say how far I am pero medyo malayo na rin naman ako. Here, I'm still walking back. Sige po, daan lang po kayo. May mga tumatawid. Hello. Ayan, so I'm still walking back. Ito, mic check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm still walking back. Palayo ako ng palayo. I don't know how many meters na ito. Probably still not 100 meters. Okay. Ayan, makikita ninyo may mga tumatawid. So, may mga humaharang din sa signal. But right now, this is still line of sight. 1, 2, 3. Turn my back now. 1, 2, 3. Ito, nakaharapuli ako. 1, 2, 3. Mic check. Hello po. Good afternoon. Hello. Kamusta? Ala, galit sa akin yung aso. Okay. Ito. I'm considerably far. This distance, actually, hindi ko na kailangan talaga ganito kalayo kapag nagsushoot ako ng video. Pero might as well ito, may dadaan na car. So, yeah, perfect. Para matest din natin kung gaano kalayo ako, kung may dropouts, even with the car passing right in between me and the camera and the receiver ng BlinkMe B2. Here, mic check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yan, naka-block na siya ngayon. Perfect way to test kung may dropout. Mic check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mic check. Ayan, nakahinto siya. It's right between me and the receiver. The transmitter and the receiver. Mic check. 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Line of sight na ulit. I'm still walking back. Okay. Nakikita na ako ng mga aso. You can probably hear the dogs. Naka-off ang noise reduction ko. Ready here at the pool area. I'm very, very far away from the receiver. I'll turn around. And I am walking back to the receiver. Palapit na ako ulit ng palapit. Mic check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can probably see me clearly now dahil malapit na ako sa camera. Malamang malinaw na ito because I'm very, very close. There you go. So, yeah, that's it. Naka-off ang noise reduction ko. I don't know how it fares yung audio quality and the dropouts. But I'll preview it right now. After I turn off this video, itetest din natin ang noise reduction later on because I'm headed to a mall for a particular event. Perfect environment yun dahil may event sa activity center. For sure, maingay doon, may crowd, ambient noise, and it's the perfect place where I can check out if ma-isolate talaga ang voice ko using the noise reduction feature of the Saramonic BlinkMe B2. Let's go. Everyone, we're here right now at Trinoma dito sa WPPP event. Nandito tayo ngayon sa ViewSonic booth and this is the perfect place kung saan pwede ko gamitin at i-test ang Saramonic BlinkMe B2. Hindi pa ako naka-noise reduction. I'm not so sure kung kamusta ang registro ng voice ko right now. I-activate na natin yung noise reduction. There. So, kamusta naman ang audio right now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Medyo maingay pa rin dito. As you can see, nasa gitna tayo ng mall. Maraming tao. May mga nag-uusap sa tabi ko. But I hope I'm coming out clear, loud and clear sa inyo. So this is the Saramonic Blink Me B2. Ayan, as you can see. And ito yung mukha ko. Ayan, oh. There you go. Oh, di ba? May branding pa ako. Okay, so andito rin ang mga kaibigan natin. Hi guys. Si Carlo. Hi Carlo. Yan o. And this is Charlene. Yan, naalala ko na. And Nika, right? Ay, Aliyah, sorry. Ano, minsan lang ako magano. And DJ, yan, DJ. Ayan. At saka si Dave, tama Dave? Oh, ayan, si Dave. Maalala ko din kayo paunti-unti mamaya. At ito naman ang maganda kong misis. Aking misis / PA / chaperon / bantay / lahat.
Critic.
At critic. Ayan, yan ang misis ko. Yan ha. Okay, so na-preview ko na yung video, both yung distance, pati na rin yung noise reduction doon sa mall. And well, quick thoughts lang naman before we close this video. Line of sight talaga malayong malayo. Ang layo ng nilakad ko away from the receiver of the Saramonic Blink Me B2. And yet napakalinaw, wala talagang dropouts. But the moment that I turned around, nung nasa malayo na ako, talagang, well, narinig naman ninyo talagang nawala yung audio ko. When I was walking back, but facing the receiver, and then may kotse na dumaan sa harap ko in between the receiver and the transmitter, hindi naman masyadong naging difference kahit ang layo ko na. There were very little dropouts, but at the same time, naisip ko naman, I wouldn't really be that far naman when I'm shooting a video. I'm usually closer to my receiver or at least a distance nakita rin naman ako sa camera. Apart from that, noise reduction when I was at the mall, when I turned on the noise reduction, perfect naman siya. Na-isolate yung voice ko, na wala yung ambient noise, and yet malinaw pa rin and very crisp yung voice ko. Usually, kasi for other microphones na may noise reduction feature din, maganda yung pagkaka-isolate pero nagsasuffer yung brilyo ng audio. But for the Saramonic Blink Me B2, I barely noticed na nawala ang brilyo. It was very clear. There were certain instances lang I noticed na kapag sobrang ingay tapos kina-cancel out niya yung noise, may very slight flange sa voice ko. But then, I only noticed it naman nung naka-headphones lang ako when I was using already my AirPods. Maybe that's just me nitpicking, pero hindi naman talaga deal breaker. Okay, so maganda naman talaga siya. Overall, I fairly enjoyed the Saramonic Blink Me B2. So what are your thoughts about the Saramonic Blink Me B2? Okay, so on natin ang noise reduction na rin ngayon while I'm outside. Pero we can also try it out here naman. There you go. Ayan, lumabas na yung NR. Now I am using the noise reduction feature of the Saramonic Blink Me B2. How do I sound? Mic check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you're interested in checking out the Saramonic Blink Me B2 as well, or kung interesado kayong kumuha ng sarili ninyong device na ito, I'll leave all of the details sa caption. So just check the caption and probably just also click the link in my bio para naman diretso na kayo makabili kayo online. Di ba? So I just want to thank again our friends from Saramonic. Maraming salamat guys. Thank you guys also for watching this audio test. I'll see you again on future videos and other reviews. At sa mga iba ko pang mga videos kung saan nangungulit lang ako, nagpa-prank, sumasayaw at kung ano-ano pa. Maraming salamat guys and yeah, bye for now.